Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another video. We just out here just riding around. We got no point and we got nowhere to go really. We just out here riding around, enjoying the time that we have. Because tomorrow is not promised. But we're gonna live for the right now. We're gonna do the right now. But we're gonna have some fun riding out here. It's 2 o'clock, so it's kind of probably have to deal with some sort of traffic. As you can tell, just sitting here twiddling my thumbs. Not literally, but figuratively, I'm twiddling my thumbs in my brain because I don't know, this person decided that they're not going to want to go. They are definitely on their phone, not paying attention. Thank you. How have you guys been? How has things going in your world? Man, in my world it is just seems sometimes, I guess that's how life goes, right? It's just sometimes it's chaotic, sometimes it's not. But for some reason it just seems a little bit chaotic right now. I don't know what to tell you. It's just the way it is right now. And I ain't sweating it. I'm not, like I said, I know how that's how life goes sometimes. So, but we are still out here enjoying it, hanging out, still trying to plan rides because it's Georgia, so you know what I mean, you get something like a winter or a fall. But I mean, like just the other day it was like 90. Okay, like it was hot the other day and I was like, whoa, this is a resemblance of like summertime for me. But today is a beautiful day, not just with the sun but also with the temperature as well. The temperature is like mid 70s. Oh, there's not a cloud in the sky, if you can see, not a cloud in the sky. And so I'm telling you, it doesn't get much better than this. I mean, the only thing that will get better than this honestly is like having maybe like an oceanfront view while I'm riding, which is, you know, down in Florida area, right? Because I'm not on the coast, I'm not close enough to the coast anyways. Or out like maybe in California. I know that California has some beautiful kind of roads that run along the coastline, and I'm really wishing that I could get over there. I'm really hoping that I could possibly get over there someday, either with Beyonce or just get out there and maybe rent a motorcycle just to ride around out there on the coast. Maybe spend a few days out there riding around on the coast and stuff like that, because they really have got some beautiful scenery out there. So I'm like, man, I'm gonna get out there and do that. But you know, that's far and it's expensive in this economy, so it may have to hold off for a little bit until I can get some money saved up to make that kind of a trip. But that's kind of cool. That would be really cool though, honestly. And I was talking on Discord last night too. Was it last night? Probably last night. About going down to Miami and then riding out to Florida Keys on Highway 1, I believe it is. Oh man, I would love to do that too. There's really a lot of things that I would love to do, and I would really like to do that on Beyonce, but yeah, you know, you never know, you know what I mean? Like, it's just so far. I mean, you're looking at like a 12-hour ride at least to get to Miami from where I'm at. And so it's like, I know I'm definitely not going to ride the bike 12 hours down there. That's just too much. Now if I had like a huge crew that goes with me and we plan the route out, maybe. I might be okay with actually riding the motorcycle down there, but if you're talking about just me by myself, nah, man. That's a hard pass. That's gonna be a hard pass for me, because that's, like I said, that's just that's just way too much, man. But yeah, I would love to get down there though. That'd be really, really fun. I think that'd be really, really fun. Now, don't get me wrong. Now, I love the North Georgia mountains. I love going up there, as you guys could tell if you watch any of my videos. I love going up there, man. It really is another world up there compared to all the city stuff that you see me riding around in. For the most part, I'm in the kind of like suburban areas, but I mean, it's much different, right? I mean, if you guys have ever been up to the North Georgia mountains, you know how different it is. I mean, you're looking at hills, trees, mountains, I mean, nice curvy roads you can lean the bike in, all that jazz, right? I mean, it's just another world up there. It's nice. But I would definitely love to go maybe down to the panhandle of Florida, even though it's just mostly straight shot line riding. Man, I wouldn't mind that if I had like the coast to look at, you know what I mean? So it wouldn't be too bad for me, but who knows, man. I don't know if I'll get down there. It'd be difficult to get down there, just like I said, purely from just riding the bike, because it takes a lot of planning and, you know what I'm saying, bike safety and where you're gonna sleep for the night, and if you're gonna do an Airbnb, you know what I mean. Usually got to do, for me, in my brain anyways, usually got to probably try to do an Airbnb so that at least you have like a garage to put the bike in, or something, some sort of storage area to put the bike out of the weather, or just kind of out of line of sight. But yeah, those would be kind of like really, really big trips for me. Is going down and riding the Florida Keys, down to Florida Keys, and out in California. I know that there's probably like really nice stuff like on the northwestern corners and the northeastern corners, like Washington, and then kind of, you know, the New York, those areas, right? I know that there's some nice spots out there too, and I wouldn't mind getting out there, but like it's not as high up on my list as like a California ride or that Florida ride. Well, I appreciate you guys sitting along with me on this video. I appreciate you guys staying with me until the end. If you have not subscribed yet, why not? Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Hit that share and hit that like. We'll see you guys here on the next one. Peace out.